Data on the screens, eyes on the skies. Nashoba WX, coming to you live from central Oklahoma as this severe weather starts to organize. Here is the latest.
Hey everyone, Rich here. We're tracking a major shift in the pattern for the Oklahoma City Metro. After a quiet stretch, the data from NWS Norman and the SPC is signaling a very active 14-day window. I've been digging into the pivotal weather models and twister data, and there's a lot to cover, especially for this weekend and into next week. Let's break it down. Starting with today, Wednesday, April 8th, it is a perfect spring day in the metro. We are seeing a high of 77 degrees Fahrenheit with sunshine and a steady south wind. Great for being outdoors, but keep an eye on those elevated fire weather conditions for the northwest part of the state where the humidity is much lower. Moving into Thursday, we climb to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. It'll be breezy with gusts hitting 20 miles an hour, but the dry line stays well out to our west for now. The Friday is our transition day. Highs stay near 83 degrees Fahrenheit, but we start seeing cloud cover increase as moisture returns from the Gulf. I'm seeing a small 5% chance of rain late Friday as the atmosphere starts to prime itself. This is the window that we need to be watching. We have a potent system lifting into the plains. Saturday, April 11th, we are looking at a high of 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Rain chances jump to 56% by the evening. The SPC is already highlighting the risk for severe storms over the weekend, starting in the west on Saturday and expanding towards the metro. Sunday, April 12th. This looks like the main event for central Oklahoma. We've got a 62% chance of storms and a high of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The National Weather Service in Norman is already warning about a marginal risk of flash flooding as widespread heavy rainfall moves in late Saturday night through Sunday. Monday, April 13th, a weird one. We spiked to 88 degrees with high winds. While it looks mostly cloudy, that heat is the fuel for this day. Tuesday, April 14th, another round of storms late in the day with a 68% chance of rain. We are looking at over half an inch of rain possible just from the secondary wave alone. Looking into next week and beyond, the active track stays wide open. The Climate Prediction Center has issued a slight risk for heavy precipitation for the southern plains between April 15th and 17th. Model guidance from Pivotal and Twister data show a surface low developing over the Great Plains, which keeps our rain chances between 70 to 80% through next Friday. Highs will settle back into the mid-70s. We don't see a real drying out signal until we get closer to April 21st, where the GFS finally shows some clearing and highs hitting the 80s again. Bottom line, enjoy the calm through Thursday. Friday starts the change. And the window from Sunday through next Wednesday looks potentially high impactive for the metro. I'll be back to look at the specific CAPE values and those 500 millibar velocity maps as we get closer to the weekend. Stay weather aware. I'm Nashoba, and we'll catch you on the next chase.